Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this very impressive 15-in-1 docking station. Yeah, you heard it right, 15-in-1. I've never seen something like that before, and I think a lot of other people have never heard about that. But I just recently learned that a lot of pros are using such devices, so this could be also a very interesting solution if you are a power user at home. So can be an awesome thing for business at home, or if you're traveling doing a lot of presentations and you don't know what to expect. This thing can manage pretty much everything, every situation. The highlight of this device, of course, is the dual display. So we have 2x HDMI, 2x DP, which we usually don't have on our computers, especially not on laptops. We have up to 5K resolution with a single monitor, up to 4K with dual monitor, 6x USB, Gigabit internet, even audio support. Yeah, super interesting. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get, and then I'm going to show you how you can use that. Of course, not all the functions would be way too much, but at least I'm going to show you how you can use that with a dual display on my Lenovo laptop. So I hope you're as curious as me. So stay tuned till the very end of the video. And so here we have the nice package with a lot of information. By the way, this company produces also some other docking stations, even one which is supporting up to 3 different displays. And so here's what we get. Everything comes nicely packaged, everything well organized. And so here we have the power supply, and here of course the main device. And underneath some more accessories. We get a USB-C to USB-C cable and USB-A to USB-C. There are no monitor cables, but you have them usually anyway. But we get some detailed instructions manual, and we get the mini CD-ROM for the software. No, of course that's not a CD-ROM. It's just the information that we have to download the software first and install it. Some description here in the back. Usually when we buy such devices and we get some information to download drivers, in a lot of cases they are not needed, but here in this case they are needed because your Windows or Mac computer won't be able to handle these additional displays without that. And it's a very solid device, solid build, comes even with 6 soft rubber feet for a very safe stand, and so it's also not scratching sensitive surfaces. And we see a lot of USB ports, audio input, output, and of course in the back even more the dual display, more USB input, of course, from the laptop or PC. We have the LAN, we have the power supply, and we have the on-off. And so I have 2 monitors left, right. I have the docking station, I have the laptop, and both of the monitors are connected through mini HDMI to full-size HDMI here, and also the power which they require, which is USB-C, is connected here on the back. But I'm not sure if this works. I'm just going to try that. Would be awesome if you don't need any other USB power source than this one here. And of course now we have to connect the laptop here with the docking station. The best is to use the original USB-C to USB-C cable because this supports everything, also video. A lot of USB-C to C cables do not support video. And so I plug it in here in the back and here in the laptop. Of course we also have to turn on the docking station. You can see we have power, and we have also power here on the monitor, but you can see there is no video signal transmitted. So we definitely have to install the driver first. And so I'm here at wavlink.com/driver. Of course it will resolve the language here, and that's pretty amazing, because now I haven't been installing any driver. I just went to this website, so I'm blown away here how this worked. I definitely didn't install anything, so maybe Windows has installed some kind of default driver already. But of course, if you want to make sure that you have the latest driver and full function, then I highly recommend to install the driver from here. But that's definitely pretty cool already. Let me check the display settings. And so we have the different choices of duplicate or extend desktop or show on one or two. So I'm going with extending desktop. So I keep the changes for now. Of course, I can also choose what's on the left side, what's on the right side. And of course, I keep that here in the center. And so to prove that we have really 3 independent monitors, I can move the mouse here to the left side. Can you see that one here? Then I move it to the center. Now I have the mouse here. Yeah, put it a little bit down here. I think you can see it a little bit better. And now I move it to the right side. Of course, it's a little bit blocked here, but when I move it a little bit further, you can see it down here. Absolutely awesome. So I can really work with 3 independent screens with just this laptop. And of course, I can do much more than just showing the desktop or use it for office things. I can also use it for video. And as you can see, I can go to 4K. And play this here for you. Absolutely no lags, no nothing. Also audio supported. This is absolutely amazing. Yeah, watch how beautiful this is playing here on the left side. And that works even if you don't even have an HDMI or DP port here on your laptop. A lot of people, when they are buying new laptops or PCs, then one of the first things they check for the display ports. But finally, thanks to this awesome 15-in-1 dock, you don't have to decide anymore. You don't have to be worried about the long-term investment of your laptop. And the whole thing was much easier to set up and connect than expected. And I definitely have the power here, USB power for these 2 monitors directly only from this docking station. So I didn't have to connect anything here on the right side. No power, except of course the power itself for the docking station comes only from the right side, nothing else. So this is as easy as it gets. And again, I didn't even have to download a driver here on this Windows 11 PC. That's really, really awesome. This definitely blows me away how easy this works. So full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.